Hi everyone, I decided to record a new video update about the market situation and what happened and how things play out from the last video. So currently you can see SP500. We can see that it's already down 2.09% and came to the support area at around 5,978 dollars. Yeah, the situation is not good, to be honest. We may see some bounce from around here, but overall high time frame doesn't look good, and I will explain a bit later. So let's quickly check what happened with SP500. Let's quickly check what happened with Bitcoin. I had this short setup and it went 7% down. It took 3 take profits and currently it found a support at around $98,000, where we have this for our FAG. We have this week that finally the price came and filled it, and on daily time frame the same. We have this long wick candle liquidity pool that was taken right now, and you may question like what is next. And the next is there are a lot of possibilities. I'm not sure, like right now I'm not sure that we will just go back to new all-time high, or yeah, if we will be able to break above this resistance zone, because I said high time frame doesn't look so good. And if we go to daily 2D moment, so on daily time frame, I guess we had this bearish divergence. On 2D we have bearish divergence. On 3D we have bearish divergence. On weekly we have bearish divergence. Okay, the higher time frame means the stronger the signal will be. In this case, this bearish divergence will play out really heavily, let's say, because I don't think that near future will find support somewhere at this area where we have like previous low. I think this is the time when finally we'll have a deeper correction, and I would want to see SP500 on a weekly time frame at around 50 EMA, or to come and feel this FVG level that we have here, or it comes to this $5,600 price area. Or to this previous resistance zone that should be, in our case, support zone. So let's say that upcoming weeks we may see a dump of 5 to 6%. Of course, the question right now is how fast it will be. If you were watching my previous videos, I was always saying, like, even here I said that if we will have correction, I hope that it will be fast, because the faster we go down, the sooner we will recover, and it will be easier to trade. If we will go just slowly down, we will have such roller coasters as we're having last weeks for longer. I mean, alts are pumping, altcoins are dumping, and really exhausting market. Hard to plan something, for long-term perspectives. So yeah, so currently I think that this super zone will be broken and the price will come to this to fill this FEG level at around 5926, or let me put Fibonacci, or let's say this area. Let me delete it. Okay, so 5865, 5911. This I will delete for now. This I will delete. It's not valid anymore. This is what I expect. So we may come here, then bounce, have bearish reaction from here and continue going down. Of course, the question is how fast these things will happen. Okay, but let me go also to lower time frame to see exactly also support zones and resistance zones better. So for now I will delete this. I will definitely delete this. I will delete this. I don't need this one. Yeah, and also another thing is we have monthly close in 4 days. And if we will have a close below the previous monthly close, it is definitely not a bullish signal at all. So the price will definitely come to this area or maybe even to this area. But it's in a future. So let's say 5% and 11%, 12%. Now let's go back to lower time frame and see what we have here. I will delete this. I will delete this. This is not relevant. I want to make it again, this one. Turn off EMAs. So for now, on 4 hour, we came to, actually we came to a good support area. The one that I recently deleted, but doesn't matter. And we are oversold on 4 hour time frame. So let's say we take this low, this high. I still believe that the price may come to this area and then show some bounce. But also we have a gap here. Okay, so will we, for example, come to this area and then come to fill this gap and then again down? This is another question. I will have to see the reaction on the lower time frames, because let's say we take this high and let's say here will be our low. So we will have first of all here this 4 hour FEG, and also here comes Fibonacci levels that the price will have to break. So we may have also something like this: the price comes and not managed to break above this FEG area, then comes back down and continues going down. So either or. Of course, we should be also have very bullish scenario. I don't know, something happens really good, and somehow the price comes here again, breaks above this resistance zone, retests, and then goes higher. But this possibility right now is really super low. We could come to fill this gap. It is still possible, to give back a 3% of move, no, and then back down. And in this case, we will just have this crazy range in SP500. Okay, so this is what we can expect on 4-hour time frame, and from this will depend what will crypto do. If, for example, now SP500 slowly will come down to this area, consolidate, show some bullish signs, and then finally finds a support. In this case, it will be positive for crypto, and Bitcoin may finally bounce. Let's go to Bitcoin. What do we have here? We have here also gap, and it is possible that if we will have a bullish news, by the way, we should have this week on Wednesday, I think Wednesday, FOMC statement, then this Fed interest rate decision. So this week is gonna be very volatile. We have also initial jobless claim, and also on Friday, FOMC member will speak. And yeah, this week is full of news, and we'll have a lot of fun. So it means we should trade carefully. Right now, for me, longs, if taking long position, then only scalping. Otherwise, I will see how SP500 will react here, and if it will give a nice bounce and reject again, I will short the market. I will look for swing shorts. So yeah, as I said, we have a gap here that the price could come to fill this gap, and if we put Fibonacci, it also comes to this 0.75 level, or if the market will be really weak, the price could come just to this 4-hour FVG and also reject. I will highlight it red. So this level will be for me also interesting. If we are not breaking above this level, 102,590, then probably we go lower. If the price will manage to break above, then this will be the next resistance zone to break. And if we will see a bearish reaction on a lower time frame and SP500 is not doing okay, then please look which altcoins to short. But check carefully which altcoin you take, because some altcoins can still show some strength and bounce. So yeah, be careful about this. Then what else I want to say? Yeah, so this swing short I will still keep. Like I took 3 take profits, I will move my stop loss to break even, and I will see. So far, honestly speaking, on daily time frame, things doesn't look good, and we have also bearish divergence here everywhere on most time frames. And if we go to weekly time frame, like what is this? What is this? This is definitely doesn't look bullish. So near future, I would expect still the price come to fill this FAG area on a weekly time frame. And the worst case, if we will go till this level on SP500, then most probably Bitcoin will come to fill this FVG area, which comes to 73 to $77,000. And if we will look, yeah, so somewhere here, let's say we would have just a long correction. What else I wanted to talk about? USDT dominance. USDT dominance. Let's go to 2 weekly time frame. Okay, this I had this bullish divergence and it didn't break below this support line, so that's why it pumped like crazy. What was this for? So yeah, right now the dominance could come still could come to fill this FAG on a on a 2 weekly time frame, or if we go to monthly, it could come here as well. So let's say if it's here, so let's say we could get 16% of the pump. Yeah, 16% of the pump. Let me check quickly. I have a lot of alarms. So yeah, it could come to $80,000, 77. And for altcoins, of course, it would be not good. So about Bitcoin dominance, still bullish. We still have this area here on a lower time frame. I already said in Discord that short term we could have some bearish moves. So altcoins can release finally, because price doesn't go just down directly. There are always ups and downs. So I believe that this dumps that we see on altcoins, altcoins will recover quickly, and we will have it once Bitcoin dominance comes to this FEG area here on a daily time frame. This probably will not happen, and then probably we'll find a support on this area at around 59%, and then probably will continue going up towards to 64%, where we have, what did we have? We had something. Why did I put this level? Yeah, I think I took it because of this 20 EMA on 6 months. It could come and reject as well, because you see here, like if we would have a history from EMAs, we could see here 20 EMA crossing. So last time when it came, it rejected. So this time it can come and reject again. So this is another thing. Again, I'm talking about high time frames. So yeah, let's watch for the reaction on Bitcoin dominance once it comes on daily time frame to daily FVG. And if we will see a good bearish reaction, you know, we can maybe we can long and maybe DC on some sports to just brings the price to break even, you know. What else? Yeah, total 3 versus Bitcoin. So far it's following my plan. I still expect it to come a bit lower to fill this week here. So I was expecting 8%, so now it left to dump 5%, 6%, you know, and I would want to see oversold condition on the RSI. So it will be a good sign that finally for some time altcoins can have it bounce. Of course, this I will delete probably. Then I will have to check again after the bounce how the price is reacting after the bounce, because probably I will have to look for resistance zones, strong resistance zones, because this will be invalidated after total 3 comes to this low. Probably somewhere here we'll have another strong resistance zone. I will have to look at this. Yeah, and also Ethereum. It had a nice bounce from this 3000 level, and currently same as Bitcoin, either it will come to fill this gap here that we have, or if the situation is not good and the market is really really weak, then probably it will come towards to this 0.5 or 0.382 level and reject, and will go more down. About high time frame, it could come, like if the situation will be really bad, it can come to this low pretty easy, to this low. And then we'll have to see what is going on here. So if someone wanted to buy Ethereum, you will have a chance to buy it in discount zone. But so far, yeah, there is no bullish trend. Also, if we will just put this trend line, sorry, see it, these levels that I highlighted right now, they also come to this resistant line, let's say. So it may come and reject already from somewhere here, and then you just look for short position. You can take a wider stop loss and just keep your short until this low, so you can get 20% of the move. What else I wanted to talk about? So yeah, this was about crypto. Right now, the structure turned into bearish, like it already confirmed. So I think that like the chances that we will have a bearish reaction from these areas are much higher than if we would see like a breakout, and Ethereum to, I don't know, 10K. No, I think that the price will come here, people will panic, people will be completely disappointed in crypto, in the market. They will say that it is over, and yeah, and then hopefully after that we will have another pump. Yeah, I think for now I talked about everything I wanted. Let me go back to SP500. Yes, weeks. I want to talk about weeks. Actually, yes, not yesterday, but on a Friday, when I was checking weeks, I was writing that weeks has a weird structure. Not weird, but it was holding all these days about this level at 14.5, and last time when it came we had this crazy pump, we had this crazy pump. I don't remember now if I was talking about this also in the last video, but I highlighted about this in Discord. And now what we see a crazy pump. Unfortunately, I didn't take call because I was so busy with crypto that I noticed this situation when the market was closed. So yeah, I just missed a nice call. So this I will delete. See, I think I was talking about wicks on the last video, and as you can see, it pumping towards to this now again resistance area. So as I said, we may see some bounce on SP 500 because on 4 hour wicks already comes to this oversold condition, and last time when it came, moment. Yeah, last time when it came, it was top on wicks, and then we had a nice run. This is interesting. Now, moment. I need to check daily time frame. On daily time frame, I would want to see something like this. Honestly, if we will see something like this on daily, then maybe for some days we will have green days. Now let me check weekly time frame. On weekly, it still shows that there's enough space to pump. Of course, on weekly, I would want to see wicks on oversold level on RSI. Like this would be like really 100% a signal that this is a bottom, So yeah, I would want to see something like this. If we will get in February something similar, it will be amazing. So then we can just chill, buy and chill. And then the wicks will go down and the market will go up. But again, this is just high time frame, my thoughts I'm sharing with you. Right now we're checking 4 hour. I will set alarms here and here, and I will see the reaction. If the reaction is bearish, then I will see how the wicks will be reacting here. So yeah. Otherwise, gold so far following the plan. DXY so far following the plan. It could bounce from somewhere here. Yeah, let's see. So this is the plan. Please be safe. Be careful with your positions. In my opinion, that soon longs will be in priority. Short term, because we still have a lot of resistance zones, as I said, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and we should also keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. So yeah, please be careful with your trades and focus on strong altcoins. The trick for you to which altcoins to keep an eye on is go to daily time frame or at least 4 hour time frame. Just open take 200 EMA and see look which altcoin is above 200 EMA, and trust me, this altcoin will recover faster than the one that has price below 200 EMA on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame. If you will find a coin on a daily time frame about 200 EMA, this should be one of the strongest coins. Okay, otherwise 1 hour, 4 hour is also good to use. So this is all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, of course, I would like to see your likes and comments, and please share this video with your friends who are also interested in trading. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.